Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you love your watches. But over time, from daily wear and tear, they start to look a little too worn. This is my Seiko SRPE. Over time, the polished sides have dulled and the bezel has gained a few war wounds. Now don't get me wrong, I do love worn watches. I would much rather see a watch with some signs of use than one that's been kept in a box its whole life. Marks are a sign of a watch's life. I would never dream of polishing my father's Tissot, for example. The marks are signs of the life the watch led while on his wrist. But if you do have any scratches or marks you want to polish out, you don't have to live with them. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to tackle those scratches and bring the brilliant shine back to your watches, using a product that's trusted by watch collectors worldwide, the Cape Cod Watch Polishing Cloth. It's a simple process you can do at home, and by the end of this video, your watch will look a whole lot closer to new. The Cape Cod tagline written on every one of their products is "Everything is new again." So let's see if they live up to that. Before you start, let's quickly look at the Cape Cod cloths themselves. They come in a few convenient options depending on your needs. The twin pack is ideal for a quick fix or first-time user and comes with 2 polishing cloths. The polishing tin kit is a complete set, coming with 12 cloths, a buffing cloth, and gloves. And finally, the industrial size tin kit, which is for a serious collector with lots of polishing to do. The important thing is that the pink cloths inside all these kits are the same, pre-moistened with the famous polishing formula and are ready to go. The only exception is the cloths in the industrial kit are much larger. The first step is to protect your watch. We want to protect the parts that you don't want to polish, like the crystal or any brushed surfaces on the case. Remember, Cape Cod is only for polished surfaces. To do this, we like to use small pieces of painter's tape cut and stuck over the areas we don't want to polish. This simple masking step is crucial for maintaining the finish of your watch, so make sure to take your time here. Now it's time to get started by applying the polish. The key here is to use gentle pressure and a smooth motion. You will start to see the cloth turn dark as the formula works to remove the microscopically thin layer of metal containing the scratch. Work on the affected area for about 30 seconds to a minute, checking your progress as you go. Make sure not to overwork the metal. So once you're ready and once all the scratches are gone or significantly reduced, take the clean white buffing cloth that comes with the kit or a dedicated microfiber cloth and wipe away any dark residue. It's important to buff off the polish while it's still wet. Don't leave the residue to dry and never wash it away. The polish must be buffed out. Then carefully peel away the tape and you're done. And now look at that transformation. The shine is back, those distracting hairline scratches have been dramatically reduced and most of them are completely gone. You can repeat this more as needed, but for most surface marks, one good pass is usually enough. I am honestly so pleased with these results. My Seiko is back to its brilliantly reflective best, and that scratch on the bezel is no longer there to catch the light. But before you go, here's a few things to remember when using Cape Cod. The cloths are not one-hit wonders. They can be used over and over again until they essentially disintegrate from being used too much. If your polishing cloth does dry out, simply add a few drops of mineral oil to revitalize it, and keep them in the tin or foil pouch when they're not in use. Cape Cod isn't just for watches either, it can be used on anything you want to bring the shine back to. You can use it to transform most polished fine metals, including silver and gold, amongst others. So there you have it, a quick, effective way to bring your favorite watches back to life. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more watch content. And let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.